Welcome to this bright and spacious home situated on its own lot in Stony Plain. The great open floor plan makes entertaining and watching the kids a breeze. This comfortable living room is spacious and features a ceiling fan and large window. Enjoy cooking in this great kitchen that features a center island. The master bedroom features its own private ensuite and walk-in closet. This is one of the 2 total bathrooms in this home. They are modern and have lots of storage and counter space. Relax in the large jetted soaker tub at the end of a long day. The first bedroom features attractive laminate flooring. The second bedroom also has laminate flooring and is a good size. The convenient laundry area has built-in shelving and extra storage space. The large backyard has room for everyone. Come and see this home today.